Today we're going to show you how to use PowToon in just a few minutes. You can start by creating an account by signing up. You can make your own account, or you can choose one of these to log in with. Since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. You can start by using one of the templates or from scratch. I'm going to use a template. Here are all the different categories to choose from. I'm going to click on marketing, and here are all the different ones for marketing. I'm going to click on increase brand awareness. And I'm going to click edit this template. You can click on create at the bottom to customize it the way you want it. You can start by, to edit text, just double click. Here are all the different options of what you can do. I'm just gonna type in a random company name. If you don't like certain objects or characters, you can simply click on them and the options pop up above them. You can switch characters as well by clicking swap. Here are all the different choices of what you can do. Below the slide, there are two buttons. The first one, it shows what you've done to the slide so far, and the one to the right of it shows all the slides. To add a new slide, click on the three buttons and click on blank slide. Once you have the blank slide, you can click on the same three buttons and click add scene, and to the right menu bar you can choose the characters and the background. You can also add a background by clicking background under scenes on the right menu bar. There's a bunch of different options to choose from. At the bottom of the slide is the duration bar, which shows you how long the slides are. You can add time or remove time from the slide. You can also choose when the characters appear or the text as well. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can change the title here. You can also click preview and export at the top, or to save the slide. To export the slide, click on export, and it shows you a little preview of how the slide looks. If you're happy with it, click export once again. Here are all the different options that you can do. You can upload it to your favorite social media platforms or publish it to your own PowToons page. You can add a title, category, and then click next. And there you have it. Your PowToon is uploaded to your page.